Hello students, welcome to Brilliant Education Doha Qatar. Today I wanted to explain you a small concept from human reproductive system, 12th grade, 12th biology. Human reproductive system. The small concept is spermatogenesis. This is a very important concept because we will get a MCQs from this small concept. So what exactly spermatogenesis? Where it is takes place? And you all need to understand before that the internal structure of testis. I will just recall that internal structure of testis and directly I'll go to the what? Spermatogenesis process. Inside the testis, there are seminiferous tubules are there. Do you remember, students, in the theory class that seminiferous tubules, inside the seminiferous tubules we would identify the two different type of cells. One is called germinal epithelium cells and the second one is called Sertoli cells, right? The Sertoli cells are also called what? Nurse cells, because they nourish the developing sperms. Yes or no? Right. Now we are going to understand what exactly the spermatogenesis process. Let me take the germinal epithelium. Now I am not taking the Sertoli cells now. Directly I am going forward. Germinal epithelium. This is the germinal epithelium. Okay. So one germinal epithelium I'm taking here. This is germinal epithelium. Keep in your mind, germinal epithelium cells are what? Diploid in nature. They are having the two sets of chromosomes. Okay. Now, the first phase of the spermatogenesis is multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. What exactly the multiplication phase? Multiplication phase means this germinal epithelium undergo mitotic division. So look at here. This is the one germinal epithelium. It undergo mitotic division to form two daughter cells first. And these two daughter cells are again undergo mitotic divisions to form four daughter cells. Like this, the number of cells are increased. That's why we are calling the first stage called the multiplication phase. Remember, student, the first question, the first MCQ question they may ask, after multiplication phase, haploid or diploidal cells are forming? Diploidal cells only, because it is not a meiosis division. So what kind of division takes place here? Mitotic division. Keep in your mind. So these all cells, okay? The half of the cells are known as type A. Type A cells. These type A cells are behave like a stem cells throughout the life. These cells are undergoing continuous what? Meiosis division to produce the sperms. Once puberty time comes, from that puberty time till the end of the life, the continuous spermatogenesis process takes place because of this type A. Type A cells are behave like A. I can write these are stem cells. Keep in your mind. Next, what about this type 2 or type B? This type B cells are type B cells we can call now spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. Keep in your mind, spermatogonia also diploid in nature. So why you are explaining the diploidal? Many times in MCQ question they are asking which of this cell is haploid or diploid during the spermatogenesis process. So far we have been discussed two different type of cells and all the two different type of cells are diploid. So here germinal epithelia diploid, spermatogonia also diploid. Yes or no? Now look at here. Let me take the one spermatogonia here. Okay. This is the one spermatogonia cell I am taking. The second phase. This is the first phase. Okay. Now second phase. This spermatogonia undergo second phase. The second phase is known as growth phase. This is growth phase. Keep in your mind, second phase. In the growth phase, this spermatogonia increase in size and accumulate food material in the cytoplasm. So in the next step, I can show you a big cell, okay, proper nucleus and accumulation of what? Food materials inside the cytoplasm. This growth phase. After growth phase, this cell is known as primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. Students, you should also remember the phases and also steps. Germinal epithelia 1, It followed by the spermatogonia followed by the primary spermatocyte. You should not write the primary spermatocyte is first and after that spermatogonia and after the germinal epithelium. No, it's completely wrong. I hope you're following me, right? Now look at here. Primary spermatocyte. Can anyone tell me primary spermatocyte is haploid or diploid? Did I mention any mitotic or meiosis division takes place in the growth phase? What did I say? In the growth phase, cell increase the size by the accumulation of food material in the cytoplasm. Enough. So no meiosis, no mitotic. That means the cell primary spermatocyte also diploid. So I'm writing it is diploid. Okay, now each primary spermatocyte, this is a very important step. Each primary spermatocyte undergo reduction division, that is called what? Meiosis 1, meiosis division 1. Meiosis division 1. Many time question have been asked, which of the cell during the spermatogenesis process undergo meiosis division? That is primary spermatocyte. So after meiosis 1, look at here, meiosis 1, let me write like this, okay? Two cells will form, haploidal cells. This is one cell and this is another cell. Okay, these two haploidal cells will form. Sir, why haploidal cells are? Because look at here, it is a meiosis division, student. This is the third phase. Third phase is called maturation phase. Maturation, nothing but meiosis division. Tell me, which cells are initiating the meiosis division? Which cells? Primary spermatocyte. Which division? Meiosis 1, not meiosis 2. Now, what is the result of after meiosis division? What is the result of meiosis 1? Two haploidal cells are forming. These two haploidal cells are called secondary spermatocyte. Spermatocyte. So, question, one important question. Germinal epithelia diploid, spermatogonia diploid, primary spermatocyte also diploid. Secondary spermatocytes are haploid. Remember. Next, each secondary spermatocyte, I'm not talking about this one, each one, okay? Each secondary spermatocyte complete, that means meiosis 2, okay? Primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 1, secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 means that is the last stage of meiosis. In the examination, if question come, which cell from the following can complete the meiosis, that time your answer would be secondary spermatocyte. To form two haploidal cells again, because meiosis 2 is equal to the mitotic division, right? So this haploidal two daughter cells are known as spermatids. Don't forget the sequence. Germinal epithelium, spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid. This spermatid undergo fully developed maturation to form sperm. I hope you get my point. So the last stage is known as spermatozoa. Question. Sir, spermatids and spermatozoas are haploid or diploid? Haploid. So haploid, and here also haploid. So in this total concept, can you please identify how many diploid or how many haploid? Diploid, diploid, diploid. Secondary spermatocyte haploid, spermatid haploid, spermatozoa also haploid. One question, no doubt. Clear? Now, look at here what happened. Spermatozoas are formed. The question is, transformation of spermatid to spermatozoa. This process is known as spermio. This process is known as spermiogenesis. Most of the students are confusing in this step. What is spermiogenesis? Conversion of or the transformation of these spermatids into fully functional motile spermatozoa called what? Spermiogenesis. So where is this spermatozoa? Spermatozoa, still look at it, this is the Sertoli cell. Okay, this is a Sertoli cell. Now, after the maturation, still these spermatozoas are embedded inside the Sertoli cell. This is Sertoli cell. Okay. Now, what happened after fully maturation of spermatozoa? Release the head part from the Sertoli cell and come to the seminiferous. That release into the vas deferentia, rete testis, and into the outside. Releasing of spermatozoa from Sertoli cells to the ducts of testis is known as spermiation. Remember, spermiation. Spermiogenesis, spermatogenesis, spermiation. 3 terms you should remember. What is the releasing of spermatozoa? Spermiation. What is the transformation of spermatids to spermatozoa? Spermiogenesis. The formation of spermatozoa from the germinal epithelia. Spermatogenesis. From this topic, one MCQ 100% will come. I hope you follow the all steps. Okay. Thank you.